Noise canceling technology is one of the most important features of any pair of headphones. If you want to get rid of those annoying sounds around you, look no further than the Anker Soundcore Space A40 Earbuds. These headphones are designed to reduce noise by up to 98%, automatically tailor their noise canceling to suit your environment. This pair does it better than any other on the market. It uses 2 microphones on each earbud that pick up ambient noise and then create a digital mirror image that cancels out unwanted sounds from your surroundings. The Anker Soundcore Space A40 Earbuds have been designed with the user in mind, with a sleek, modern design and an ergonomic fit that ensures they stay comfortable throughout your commute or workout. The sound quality is extremely good, which is a result of their dual driver technology, so your music will sound detailed and balanced. These headphones have a built-in microphone and remote control, so you can use them for hands-free calls as well as controlling playback on your device. The battery life is another benefit of these headphones. They provide up to 50 hours of playtime before needing recharged again. Overall, the Anker Soundcore Space A40 Earbuds are a great choice for anyone looking for a set of affordable, high-quality earbuds. They sound excellent, have an ergonomic design that provides long-lasting comfort, and come with all the features you need in a pair of workout headphones. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.